Yo, yo, yo! Welcome to the future, where robots don't just steal your jobs, they also steal your Spotify playlist and drop a remix better than you could ever imagine. So what's this music-generating AI thing? Imagine a baby grand piano, but the baby is a robot, and instead of drool, it spits out sick beats. That's basically it. Okay, for real, music AIs use something called machine learning. Think of it like teaching your dog tricks. Only instead of sit or fetch, the AI learns Mozart, Drake, or even elevator jazz, and then creates its own version. Basically, it's like having a jukebox that went to Harvard. Imagine you gave your blender a music theory textbook and a Red Bull. That's music AI. It takes ingredients like tempo, melody, rhythm, and harmony, throws them into the blender, and boom! Out comes a fresh track. Under the hood, most music AIs use neural networks. Think of them like a brain made of Legos. One layer figures out rhythm, another grabs melody, and another says, "Hey, let's add a bass drop that makes people question their life choices." These AIs are already everywhere. Apps like Amper Music or AIVA let you generate background tracks for your videos. Spotify uses AI to recommend you songs, which is why, after listening to one sad song, you're suddenly in a 3-hour heartbreak playlist you never asked for. Will music AIs replace your favorite artists? Relax, Drake's not losing his job. I mean, unless Siri suddenly drops a diss track and wins a Grammy. So, music AI is like having an endless army of robot DJs, ready to play anything, anytime, anywhere. The future isn't humans versus robots. It's humans collabing with robots. Who knows? Your next favorite song might just be co-written by Beethoven and a toaster. Alright, fam, that's a wrap. Smash that like button like it's a cowbell, and I'll see you in the future, where even your microwave has a mixtape.